folks, it's time for long jump. We're going to line up two of these monsters at those car stacks, and then one at a time, we're going to launch them through the air. You are going to be able to see the results with your own two eyes. Truck that gets the furthest takes the lead. Leader at the end is your winner, and that is stop 3 on the road to the Champions Cup. Sydney, I need you to make some noise if you want Gunster to be your leader!
Okay, but what about if you want Mega Rex to be your leader? Let's hear it!
Hot Wheels fans, that is the first round of long jump, and you have a new leader. Your leader is Gunster. Make some noise. Okay, Kudos Bank Arena. Now is the time to make some noise if you want Scalosaurus to take the lead!
Alright, but what about if you would like Bone Shaker to take that lead? Let's hear it!
Oh my goodness, Sydney! Kudos Bank Arena. Did you see these monster trucks fly through the Sydney sky? How good is that? Guess what, Sydney? You have a new leader. Your new leader is Bone Shaker! want you to make the most noise you've ever made if you want Bigfoot to be the leader!
Okay, Sydney, but what about Hot Wheels 5 Alarm? Let's hear cheers!
Oh my goodness, Hot Wheels fans, it's all happening here today. We have a new leader. Your leader so far is Hot Wheels 5 Alarm!
Okay, Sydney, let's make some noise if you want Tiger Shark to take out the competition!
Okay, Sydney, I am here with some of the awesome fans of the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live Glow and Fire Show, and we have our winner of long jump. It's going to be Em. Are you there? Are you excited? It's
Oh yeah, we're excited.
ready? It's Hot Wheels 5 Alarm!
Give it up again, everyone. It's Mark Simmons, the driver of Hot Wheels 5 Alarm. Mark, you sent that fire truck flying just then. You are having such a great competition today. How's it going?
Oh, it's absolutely incredible. I mean, every time you guys cheer for me, I would want to go bigger and bigger and bigger.
And we've got our favourite stop on the road to the Champions Cup next. Are we excited? How are we feeling?
Oh, I'm absolutely excited to bring out freestyle for you. I know every one of these trucks is going to go and drive their heart out for each and every one of you.